Somebody had to knock it. There's no way it's gonna go anywhere.
I'ma shake my money maker. It's time to circulate.
Sit your on that no leather every. It's on game. I wish that we can change places. Move faces.
The flange should be good. It's not like a wobbly toilet, is it?
No. Get into what?
The crack right over there, and another one right there. Just leave it alone for say 6 or 12 hours, meaning that a new toilet is probably $100 more than you refurbishing it.
Yeah.
Sweet succulence and fire. Between y'all, my darling divine. I love the way you're moving, all the way you design.
No, my wrist on front.
What's up? Turn to a pay, we break them down and roll them up. We trust in the fire, don't know we dangerous. Let me elevate, kiss and a prank. Have you walking on the plane? La 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 la. Both hands together, God, let me pray. I ain't feeling like an astronaut in the ocean.
We are Miami's #1 hit music station. Y100.
Get me out, get me out.
Call up Lou Wuffy, grab his he gon' out of his things for real. Gang for real. I promise that it's real.
I have the spear of fucking destiny. I ain't Satan of fruits out. I ain't Satan of fruits out. I know where the Holy Grail is. Is it where you will other way out? Is it where you will other way out?
There will be no other way out.
It's clear who holds the spear of destiny. Inside reaps us all who realize it.
Inside reaps us a whole new reality.
Inside reaps us all who realize it. The angel of death is gonna find you, motherfucker. For them, we shall fix that.
You're off rhythm. We shall fix that. You'll see.
For them, we shall fix that.
It's one light hole, one black hole, on loop through the Holy of Holies at the very center.
Her up for them philosophies, that's only up with hurry. Her up for them philosophies, that's only up with hurry. I'm a fussy, I'm a naughty. I'm a fussy, I'm a naughty.